HeyGen AI lets you create a video clone of yourself in minutes. But the problem is that it looks like this. Hey, Arturi Jolly, your digital twin is ready. Try creating videos with it. The second you look at it, you can immediately tell it's AI. And I mean, it's not even close. But luckily, I just discovered a strategy with which you can make it look and sound exactly like you. This is possible thanks to the HeyGen plus Elevenlabs AI integration. So here's the second video clone of myself. So now the AI voice clone comes from Elevenlabs and the AI avatar clone comes from HeyGen. You'd have to look at it for a while to realize it's AI. In fact, you're still watching my AI clone right now. So in this video, I will show you step by step how to clone yourself using HeyGen AI, create an AI voice clone of yourself using Elevenlabs AI, and then how to combine these two on HeyGen with just a couple of clicks of a button. If you've never tried these tools before, you can try them for free with my links in the description. But now let's get started with the video. Alrighty, so as the first step, you need to create an AI clone of yourself. And to do this, just head over to HeyGen. You can do it for free with the link in the description of the video. So just sign up and then go to this avatar section and then click create new, start from a video. Then understand this. So you need 2 to 5 minutes of yourself talking to the camera and make sure you're well lit and that the audio is good. And by the way, it is just enough to use your mobile device's camera and microphone even if you want to. So it doesn't need to be professional. And then just talk naturally and have some 1 to 2 second pauses between each sentence. So otherwise, just be yourself in the video. Then just click next and then just drag and drop your video clip here into this view. Then click next, and if it's your first time doing this, you have to click on new avatar and you will need to read a short sentence out loud in front of a camera just for this service to verify that it's actually you. But if you already have your avatar, just click on the existing one and then just click submit and wait for about 30 minutes for the AI to create the avatar. But now here's the issue. So let's open up one of my avatars. Hey, Arturi Jolly, your digital twin is ready. Try creating videos with it. Also, click the feedback button to share what you think. Hope you enjoy. So as you can see, the problem is that even though it looks exactly like me and the studio setup and everything is correct, the only problem is that it does not sound like me. And now to fix this issue, what we can do is we can use another powerful AI service to power the voice of this character to make it sound exactly like yours. And that is of course Elevenlabs. And now before I show you how to do the integration and how to create your Elevenlabs AI voice clone in the first place, let me show you the idea. So once you have created your AI avatars, you can pick one of them. You can click on create and create in AI Studio. So this way you make a new video with your AI avatar. So we can type in something like, hey, this is my AI voice clone. Nice to meet you, yada, yada, yada. And then as you can see here, it is automatically picking my AI generated voice made by HeyGen. But now what we need to do is go to the voice section on the right and click on new voice and integrate third-party voice. And then we can click on Elevenlabs. And now all we need is an Elevenlabs AI voice clone of yourself and an API key. And I know this sounds a bit technical, but trust me, it is just a couple of clicks and just some time waiting. So first of all, if you have never used Elevenlabs before, this is my favorite AI voice generation platform. And this one creates a voice that resembles you perfectly. And now what you want to do is you can click on the description link so you'll get the free trial here if you want to use the quick voice clone. And if you want to create a professional voice clone, you also need to upgrade to a paid plan. So once you have signed up to Elevenlabs, go to the Voices tab and then click on Create or Clone Voice and then click on Professional Voice Clone. And obviously you can also do the instant voice clone as well. It is not as powerful, but it is still, I think, better than what HeyGen offers. And I'll be prepared. So if you want to do the professional voice clone, you need to have 30 to 120 minutes of yourself talking in front of a microphone. So if you have earlier podcast episodes or videos, you can just restrict your audio from that. But if you don't have that, then you need to record yourself talking in front of a microphone for a while. So now let me show you how it works. So choose professional voice clone on your paid plan, then go through these instructions. And here are the recommendations. Obviously, you don't need to have all of this, but to maximize your audio quality, it might be useful to have a microphone with a pop filter with an acoustically treated room. Then just upload your samples and then once again verify your voice. So you need to read out loud this short sentence for the platform to actually trust you that it is indeed you who is creating the voice clone, that you're not cloning somebody else. And then just wait for 2 to 6 hours for the AI to create your professional AI voice clone. And now that you have your HeyGen AI clone and your AI voice clone on Elevenlabs, it is finally time to merge those two together. So now to combine your AI voice clone as well as your AI video clone, what we can do is we can go back to HeyGen, click on create in AI Studio. Then you can also change the aspect ratio, but that's not the main focus of this video. Then type in something here that you want your AI clone to say. Then go to the voice section here on the right and click on the voice again and click on new voice, integrate third-party voice. And now here's where we need an API key. Now to get this API key, we need to go back to Elevenlabs AI and we want to go to the developers section over here. Then click on API keys, create a key. And now since this is an API key, this means that HeyGen can now use your Elevenlabs account. So they can basically use all the features over here and the voice models and such. And this is a safe operation as long as you don't leak your key anywhere. And in case you leak it, it is good to set some restrictions, and also it is good to set restrictions in the first place because there is a third party that is HeyGen and is going to access your account. So for example, let's do 10,000 monthly credits. So HeyGen or anyone with this API key would not be able to spend more than 10,000 credits on our account. Then let's give HeyGen access to use the text-to-speech feature. And then you also need to give it access to your projects, the audio native platform and voices, and then obviously the voice generation, as well as the models, the user, and the workspace. And once you have selected these accesses, then you can click Create Key. And here is your secret API key. Trust me, I have deleted this key, so you are not going to be able to use this one when you're watching this video. So do not give this key away. This is a secret key, and if somebody gets access to this, they can basically have an access to your Elevenlabs account. So they can start to waste your credits and subscribe to paid plans or whatever they might be able to do. So just keep this secure. But now for the demonstration purposes, I'm showing it here. So just copy to clipboard and now go back to HeyGen and copy paste the key over here and click confirm. And now your API key has been integrated with HeyGen. And as you can see, it is now showing my voices from Elevenlabs. And for example, now I want to use this Arturi professional clone on HeyGen. So this is the Elevenlabs AI professional voice clone that we created. So now let's click on. And now what we can do is we can go back here where it says voice. We can click on that. My voice is Arturi professional clone. And now we can preview the speech. This is my second AI clone that I created using Elevenlabs with HeyGen AI. So now the AI voice clone comes from Elevenlabs and the AI avatar clone comes from HeyGen, which makes it look just so much better. I love it. That is perfect. So now it is reading the things out loud with my Elevenlabs AI voice clone here on HeyGen. And now all we literally need to do is we can click on generate and then give it a name and click on submit. And now the AI starts to create a voice clone of yourself using Elevenlabs, and it's creating the video using your HeyGen AI avatar.